Don't forget your tab key. It's one of the most highly used keys in Revit. You can use it to chain select, but you can also use it to tab through to get to items that you want that are hard to select, like that curtain grid, for example. It also works quite nicely for your snaps. So if I draw a detail line here, if I hit tab, you can see it jumping between the various snaps there. While I'm in here going around to my various snaps, I can also right click and open my snap overrides menu and pick the snap that I prefer, snap midpoint for example. Revit will now jump to the specific snap that I've overridden. At any point I can continue to override this by using the keyboard shortcuts, SE for snap endpoint, SP for snap perpendicular. You can change these at any point in time or use the context menu, whatever you're most comfortable with. Make selection nice and easy.